If you're looking for a really nice combination ranch, this is the place. Big Creek forms much of the east boundary of the property in addition to a pond and seasonal slough. Of the 105 acres, 40 acres consists of lush Bermuda Grass hay meadow free of weeds, approximately 2 acres and 2 food plots, with the balance being beautiful mature hardwoods with smattering of cedar. Access is via a paved county road, and property is fenced along the road, allowing for a locked gate at the entrance. An electric line lies along the side of the property that fronts the road, and there's also a rural water meter on the property. A small set of steel pens is in place. The treed areas are scenic, as you can see through the understory on most of the property. With the great condition of this property, easy access off the paved county road, rural water and electricity in place, this is an exceptional property that will not last long.